In this video, I'll show you a strategy that helps me make $100 to $300 every single day. Now, if you don't know what this indicator is, it's called Frost Algo, and you can access it by clicking the first link in the description. Now, once you've accessed our indicator, what you're going to go do is go to TradingView, click on Indicators, go to Invite Only Scripts, and click on Frost Algo version 1.0 or any other version. Click on this. Your chart should look something like this. Go to Settings, Disable Show Buy Sell Signals, Candle Color change to Counter Gradient, Show Take Profit Points disabled, leave the Support Resistance enabled, disable the Dashboard, Reversal Bands, Show Reversal Seeker, and enable Counter Signals. Then click OK. And your chart should look something like this. For a buy signal, what you're looking for is price to reach the support line, and you have a buy signal right here. Now enter the trade on the candle close, which is right here. Stop loss a little bit below the previous candle low, so something like here, and take profit would be the next resistance line, which is right here. But as you can see, here is also a resistance line, so we would have taken profit right here and made profit of 0.30 with a risk reward of 7.14. Here's another great example on a valid entry. As you can see, price reached the support line, we got a buy signal, enter on the candle close, stop loss a little below the previous candle low, and take profit at the next resistance, which is right about here. And we made a profit of 0.42 with a risk reward of 13.28. Now, for a sell position to be valid, what you're looking for is price to reach this resistance line, which is this red box right here, and to have a sell signal, which we have right here. Now, once these two criteria are met, we're going to enter a short trade on the candle close, stop loss below the sell signal, and take profit at the next resistance, which is right here. So if we would roll it up, we would have hit the take profit of 0.42, the risk reward of 2.52. Now here's another example of a valid short position. We got the price to reach the resistance line, and we got a sell label, so we enter on the candle close, stop loss a bit below the sell label, which is right here, and take profit at the next resistance line, which is right here. But we only made a profit of 0.28 and a risk reward of 1. What we could also do is scroll out a bit and put our take profit at the next resistance, which would be right here. And let's see, and we would have hit it right about here with a profit of 0.73 and a risk reward of almost 3. Now, if you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and join our Discord to get notified when we update our indicator. And if you would like to see the backtest of this strategy, let us know.